webinar on business model canvas from one of our faculty member, Professor Guru Prasad YK, who is an assistant professor, Department of ISC, SVCE, and sir is also an certified innovation ambassador from MHRD MIC as part of the IIC activity. So sir is very much experienced and certified design thinking trainer also. So we are very much happy that Guru Prasad sir has accepted our invitation to deliver some of the important things required for business model canvas to our students. So I would like to welcome Guru Prasad sir. And I would also like to welcome our management, CED sir, principal sir, and all the HODs and all the faculty members and the students of various departments, and especially information science and engineering department, to accept to host this event from the Department of ISC. So I would like to thank Dr. Lokanathan sir, especially. So I would like to welcome once again Guru Prasad sir to start the session. One minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, very.
So I'll take the session forward.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. By all means, sir. You can start the session.
So very good morning to all the students. Today I would like to speak a few words on business model canvas. Okay. So I just wanted an interaction session. This should be an interaction. It should not a boredom any 1 year in the session. So I just wanted to ask who are the entrepreneurs or who wish to be an entrepreneur in this session? You can raise your hand.
I think you can all unmute. There is an option set that you can all unmute and interact with sir. I have not disabled. It's so enabled.
Before starting this business model canvas, I just wanted to know who are the entrepreneurs for this session. Like, I mean, who is the aspirant, entrepreneur or aspirant in this session, so that I just can take this session very lively. Anyone? Any aspirants?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I know your name, ma'am, please?
Yes, sir. Samprita Kulkarni.
Okay. Very good. Fine. Any other one? Good, Samprita. So any other entrepreneur aspirants? Okay, fine. So I just wanted to take this thing. I just wanted nil aspirants. I was expecting the nil aspirant, but Samprita, you are great. You are like you are a real aspirant. Because see, every entrepreneur, every human being wants to become entrepreneur. Yes, wants to become a boss. So employer is better than employee. So if you believe that, which business will I need to take up? So which business I need to start with? So for this session, for the following session, I'll be talking about the business model canvas. So which I need to select. So which I know I need not to select. So everything I'll be talking about what is exactly the business model canvas. So what is all about business? Anyone, any ideas? Business, what is business? What do you mean by business? What do you mean by business? Okay, so I just don't want to drag this. See, business model canvas is very important tool. It is like you need to define your business idea to get the main profit. Okay, nobody is here in the society. I'm doing a business for the loss. Okay, let me do a business for the loss also. I'll be doing. No, nobody in the society, no individuals will be telling, no, I'll be not doing the business if I'm not getting the major profit. Correct? So if we are getting the profit, then only we will be telling that it is a strong entrepreneurship. Okay. See, how do you search for the right business model? what is the business model? So shall we start a business? Say for example, some individual is not at all interested in studies. They'll be planning, so let's do a business, let's do a business. What exactly that business? How to select that business? See, there is some theoretical aspects. If you follow that, then you can get very good profit. See, I'm not telling that like every entrepreneurship they'll be following the same business model, correct? See, every individual will be not learning any addition, subtraction, multiplication theoretically. But even though they know how to calculate the money, how to calculate, see, villagers, they'll be having their own business model. Okay. So theoretical aspects to start a business model. The one question will be in our mind. How do you search for the right business model? How do we search? Okay. This is all the session about what business I can give, what business I can make in the society to get the more profit. Okay, do I want to keep a mobile shop? Do I want to run a what software engineering? I mean the software development, product development entrepreneurship, or software testing entrepreneurship, or any data science or data analytics job? What kind of business? Or I need to make a provision store? Yes. Don't be don't think how an engineer can start a provision store. How effectively you are doing the provision stores. That is a major thing using your technology. So you may feel, yeah, what kind of business I can do. I'll remain as an employee. Yes, I'll earn 50K or 1 lakh per month, and I'll work for Monday to Friday. Then Saturday, Sunday, I'll do I'll go for the refreshment. Then I'll come back on Monday. I'll do it. See, if everyone wants to become an employee, then there is no opportunity after 10 years or after 20 years. There will be no opportunity for anyone to work in any company, because every individual, if we are thinking, yes, I'll become employee and I'll lead a pleasant life, then who will start the entrepreneurship? Correct? Who will start the business? You may see the very successful businessman. You may see Ambani, Adani, and all. You may feel Ratan Tata sir and all. You may feel, oh, but they are the businessman. We are only just employee. Yes, one or the other time they were also an individual. They were also in a dilemma to start either to start an entrepreneurship or to become an employee. Correct? So, which business model? What business model? What business I need to start? Somebody will be saying, "Hey, you start this software development." It's just what do you say in the general words? It's a blah 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 things. What exactly? How exactly? So theory aspects. So there is a business model canvas. Why is this business model canvas? What for it is? To describe, to challenge, to design, and to invent business models more systematically. Okay, you can say in the air, you can say, yeah, you start this pani puri business, you are getting more than anyone. You start this kachori business, you will get. See, simply if you are telling without any theory, without any proof, or without any logic, without any systematic way, then you can't earn. See, you can run the show for a short term, you can't run the show for the long term. So we are following the business model 9 building blocks method. Okay, business model canvas will be using 9 building blocks method. What are those building blocks? So the very first one is customer segment. So we'll see what are the 9 building blocks, and we'll see one by one. That is your business model canvas. Okay, I'm not sure if you implement this business model, at least a few percentage of improvement in your business model identification will be better than without the business model canvas. I'm sure about that. Now let's see what are the 9 building blocks of business model canvas. First one is customer segment. Second one is value proposition. Third one is channels. Fourth one is customer relationship. Fifth one is revenue streams. Sixth, sixth is key sources, key activities, then key partnership, then the cost structure. Now let's see one by one what exactly the customer segment. What is this customer segment is all about? See, it defines customer segments, it defines the different groups of people or the organization and an entrepreneur aims to reach and serve, or targeting the profitable customers. Say, for example, nowadays social media is the strongest, okay, it is the strongest, what do you say, even if I want to post anything, even if I want to deliver the last person of SVC also, you can text, you can post a message in 1 second and you can reach those students in a second. Say for example, in previously, if it is if you lost anything, so if you lost anything, you may lose that, or 99% you may lose that, and 1% if you are having a freight, you may get the things back. But nowadays we have a group and lost and found group. If somebody is somebody found something, some key or some element, anything, they'll be posting and there'll be new thing. Why I'm telling this? Because these applications, these social media applications, whatever it is, Instagram, Facebook, Isala, Instagram, Facebook, if you take this Facebook and Instagram, so they are the connectivity of the world over the people. Like I can connect with the people I can connect with the friends who stays in the US, that is 20 or 25k miles away from my place. In a second, I can call. In previous decades, in 1970s, 1980s, 1990s, and all, we used to make a trunk call. Okay, we if we want to call any interstate person also, we need to make a trunk call. Inter-district also, we need to make a trunk call. But now it is not like that. If you want to convey any message, if you want to convey your feelings, if you want to convey your sadness, you can convey in just a seconds. So they are the marketing applications, they are the marketing application, they are the business applications actually. So advertisement, many things, and the analytics, see whatever you are searching for, that will be analyzed, and the recommendation, that suggestions will be given automatically. Customer segments, what is customer needed? Okay, what does the customer needs? What's the group of people expecting in the market? That is your first building block of your business model. Okay, what are the targeting for profitable customers? How can I get the profit? Okay, say for example, if I sell notebooks, nobody will be taking this. Correct? If I sell notebooks, nobody will be taking. If I sell the Xerox of any assignments, they'll be taking. Correct? So there is a possibility. I need to target the profitable customers. So like customer segments, I need to target the different group of peoples who are interested, and if I reach them, how can I make the profit? That is the thing. How to segment the customer? Okay, how to segment that? We said, okay, building blocks. The first building block is customer segment. How to segment that customer? So how can I segment that customer? Their needs, their requirements. Okay, they are reached through the different channels. Okay, they require the different types of relationships. Say for example, Airtel service vendor is giving um, some what ethical relationship. Say for example, even though if I have done the wrong recharge, say just for example, XYZ service provider is giving more number of customer relationship. Okay, so more friendly customer relationship. Or else say for example, if I ordered any product, okay, so return refund policy, everything it is quite good, then there will be having a very good what business. So if I target the customer based on their requirements and substantially, like it will be growing my profit. Okay, they are willing to pay, even though if I am not giving any offer also, they are taking my product. So I need to segment that customers. What are those types of customer segments? There is a mass market. Okay, we can focus one large group of customers with broadly similar needs or the problem. Say for example, in a college I need to start a canteen. Okay, so which customers is liking which customer segment? I need to target the mass segment, mass market. So everyone will like pani puri. So I'll make a mass market. I mean I'll focus on the large group of customers. So a large group of people will like all will like pani puri. So I can start with pani puri. Next segmented. What is a segmented? Slightly different needs. Other than pani puri also they need something else. Next, diversified, very different needs or the problem. Then multi-sided platforms. Multi-sided platforms, they'll be they like pani puri also, desi style also, international continental also, anything. So there are different types of customer segment. The very first building block is what it is. I need to make a customer segment. Okay, so in my regional area, what is the need? What is the need of the customer? What is the requirement of the customer? Either the mass market or the segmented or the diversified multi-sided platform. I need to segment the customer. The very first step is I need to segment the customer. Okay, so the second one is the second model of this is the second building block of the business model is value proposition. Okay, value proposition. I need to give the reason why customer turn to one company over another. Okay, say for example, I'll be using some XYZ phone. I'll leave that phone and I'll be turn on to the next phone. I mean the next brand phone, another brand phone. So value proposition, I need to check that value proposition. Okay, what is the reason? What is that? How to check this value proposition? Okay, say for example, you will be purchasing the product in Amazon. So why you want to make the conversion? Okay, how you need to make the conversion to buy to make the customer to buy from the Flipkart or from your website? How can you change that? How to check that? Okay, what is the thing? First parameter is what value do we deliver to the customer? Okay, second one is which one of our customer problems are we helping to solve? Okay, which customers needs are we satisfying? So are we satisfying the whatever the customer needs? Next, what bundles of product and the services are we offering to the e-customer segment? Okay, so this value proposition, if we are checking this value proposition, yes, 100% we can target the profitable customer. What are the elements to contribute the customer value? So these are the customer values. So elements of customer values. Okay, creation, newness. See, if you are giving old traditional books, old traditional thing itself, 4 lines, 2 lines, old traditional, you can't hit the market. If you have a cursive writing, if you have a calligraphy books, okay, pre-defined, pre-printed calligraphy books, newness is there. Okay, something new is there. From the old traditional thing, see once if you remember our childhood, we used to get two lines working 2 lines and 4 lines book. Okay, our mom or dad used to keep all the dots and we used to write. Nowadays the people the kids are getting the calligraphy based, okay, they need to draw in that place itself. Okay, S, if they want to write S, they'll be writing S in that space. If they want to write A, they'll be writing A. So what is the newness and what is the performance, how we are giving, and the customization, whether you are giving any customization in your new business, and they're getting the job done, and design, brand, it is all the elements, price, cost or the risk reduction. Say for example, if you are paying, see, Amazon, Flipkart, Mintra and all, it is known. Okay, what is the risk you are taking for the unknown payment? So will you pay? Okay, these are the elements to contribute the customer value creation. Okay, we need to make that very strong, then accessibility, then the convenience, usability. If we make this element strong, then we can hit the market. Next, what are the channels? See, channels are the customer touch points that play an important role in the customer experience. Okay, what actually the channels? Okay, it describes how a company communicates with and reaches its customer segments to deliver a value proposition. Say for example, one company I'm starting, unknown company. Okay, it is not Amazon, it is not Flipkart, it is not Mintra. See, every individual in the starting, they need to get the customer satisfaction and the customer trust. Okay, so this channels describes how a company communicates with the customer and reaches its customer segment, whatever the segment we have taken. Okay, how it reaches and how it communicates and how it delivers the value proposition, it is all about channel building. Okay, so communication, distribution and sales channels with related to channel building, it is very important. Now, how to understand, how to create this channels? Okay, so how we are reaching them, then what are the channels integrated, which one works the best, okay, which one works the most efficient. Okay, we need to create the channel in such a way that which one works the best, which one works the most cost efficient, and which one will reach the customer segment very fast, and which one will take the trust from the customer. Okay, so what are the channel types? That is the partner channel and the own channel. What is this partner channel? Lead to lower margins. Okay, but they allow an organization to expand its reach. Say for example, any company. Say for example, any company, they'll be launching in India. Unknown company, they'll be launching in India. They will be tied up with the Indian company partner channels, and they'll be getting the lower margins initially. Once they hit the market, say for example, I am known to this college. Guru Prasad is known to this college. Somebody wants to deliver some product, they'll catch me and I'll say, okay, no, this product is good. Okay, you can sell, or I'll be selling with along with my product. Say for example, if you take gulab jamun, pen will be free. Okay, what is my intention? I need to promote my pen. Okay, so along with the gulab jamun, everyone will eat the gulab jamun. So during the festival, along with this gulab jamun, I'll say pen is free. You will use that pen and you will be familiar with that pen. Yes, I may get lower margins. Okay, but once I hit the market, I can be known in the market. Is it fine? So that is the channelization of your business model. And own channel is, it is the direct marketing. Okay, you can have higher, see, gulab jamun, MTR gulab jamun, it should not be projected with the other product. So it is having a own brand, a own higher set. It is having the higher margin, own channel. Okay, so the next building block is customer relationship. See, not only finding the customer segment is important, not only giving the value proposition is important, and not only the channel creation is important. after selling your product, how you are maintaining the customer relationship, how you are deeply influencing the overall customer experience. That is important. If the customer is happy and he'll be buying once more, okay, and he'll be telling 10 of your friends, and those 10 will be multiplied to 10, so 100, so 100 into 10,000, so it is a multiplicative. So whatever the customer is getting, if you are okay with that product, and you will say mouth to mouth advertisement is the strongest than any other media, mouth to mouth. Okay, you will say your friend, hey, that chocolate was very nice. I had that chocolate in last week, so it was very nice. Come, go, will get. So 1 into 2, so 2 chocolates will be sold. Then those two will be saying another 5 of his friends. So 2 5s are 10, like that. That multiplicative only because if you are giving overall experience, if you are making the customer happy, then you will be getting those customers with along with them friends. Okay. So what is this? How to build this customer relationship? Okay. So as I told you, it relationship can range from personal to automated. Okay. So the customer acquisition, customer retention, and boosting the sales, it is all related to your customer relationship. Then how to build that customer relationship segment? Then what type of relationship you have generated and you have established, and how to maintain with them, and which one have you established, and how they are integrating the rest of your business model. Okay, this is all about how to build the relationship with the customer segment. Then there are categories of customer relationship. Personal assistance. Okay, say for example, if you are taking one coffee powder, I'll be calling how was it and how you are feeling, and is that mood swings, like everything. Personal assistant and dedicated personal assistant. Say for example, even if you are discharged from your hospital, there will be a dedicated personal assistant. They'll be calling each and each individual will be calling either thrice or twice a day to inquire about your health. And the self service, okay, self service, if you are giving a chatbot, say for example, what is the need, okay, then if you are getting service by, like if you are getting service like self service, the customer will be very much happy. There is no interaction with any human beings or any individual. Then automated service, then the communities, co-creation. So these are the categories of customer relationship. So this is the strongest customer relationship is the strongest among all the 9 building blocks as per my perception. So the next thing is revenue streams. Okay. So revenue streams is for what value is in each customer segment truly willing to pay. Say for example, you are creating one mobile phone, you are manufacturing one mobile phone, and if you are pricing for 1 lakh, say for example, you have segmented the actual customer segmented, yes, okay, you have involved all the aspects of the customer segment, and you have created, but is that the customer willing to pay? Revenue streams plays a major role. Okay, so if the customer is truly accepted to willing to pay, say for example, even if it is pricing for 1.5 lakhs also, iPhone will be sold within a minute. I'm just saying. Okay. So they have created the brand like that, marketing strategies like that. Okay. So revenue streams, if you are developing any product, if you are starting any business, and if you are pricing, it's too high, then the customer segment truly willing to pay this amount. So that is with respect to revenue streams. There are two different types of revenue streams. One is transaction revenues, and one is recurring revenues. So transaction revenue is one-time customer payments resulting from the one-time customer payment. Recurring revenues is deliver the value proposition to the customer and provide post-purchase customer support. Okay. So if you involved in this post purchase customer support, you can get recurring revenues. As I told in the previous slide also, you will be getting recurring revenues. Either the same customer will be buying the more products, or the same customer will be delivering the message, the positive feedback on your product, and they will be understanding and they'll be buying your products. Next, how to understand this revenue streams? Okay, for what value are the customer willing to pay? That is one criteria. For what to do they are currently like, what do they currently pay? I mean, say for example, there will be analytics. Okay, business analytics, data analytics. Say for example, you like the flask, water flask. Okay, so in Amazon it is somewhat $100. Okay, you are searching, and this Flipkart they'll be pricing for 96. Okay, that is the revenue strategies. Why? What they how like they'll be analyzing for what price the customer willing to pay. Yes, 100 also okay, fine. Next, what they currently paying. Okay, how do they prefer to pay, and how less if it is they'll be buying. Okay, if it is 99 with the unknown marketing company, then they'll not buy, they'll be buy with a known user only. 100 also fine. Okay, that revenue stream you need to understand what they are currently paying, how they are currently paying, what they prefer to pay, and how they are willing to pay, how much does each revenue streams is calculated. Okay, there are several ways to generate the revenue streams: asset sale, usage fees, subscription fees, lending, leasing, licensing, brokerage fees, advertising. Okay, next, with respect to the next building block is key resources. What is this actually the key resource? The most important assets required to make business model work. How is this? These resources allows an enterprise to create and offer a value proposition and reach the markets and maintain the relationship with the customer segment and earn the revenues. Okay, key resources can be what? Physical, financial, intellectual, anything. Okay. Okay, this is the key resources wherein you need to get all the key resources can be either physical, financial, intellectual, or human. Next, with respect to how what are the categories? So they are the physical, as I told you, intellectual, human, financial resource. Then the key activities. What is this key activities? It describes the most important things of the key. That is, key activities differs depending on the business model type. What are the key activities? Or distribution channels, or the customer relationship, or the revenue system, anything it might be. So who are the key partners and who are the key partnership? Okay. So next building block is key partnership. So what are the strategic analysis? Who and which are the key partners? And the three motivations of the creating partnership is optimization and the economy of scale, and reduction of the risk, acquisition of the particular resources and the activity. The last building block is cost structure. See, it describes all the cost incurred to operate a business model, creating and delivering the value, maintaining the customer relationship, and generating the revenue. And such costs can be calculated relatively easily after defining your key resource, key activity, and key partnership. How to measure this, and what are the most important costs, and what are the key resources are most expensive, which key activities are most expensive? So we need to calculate this cost. So if you are actually having interest, we can make in the next sessions, we can make activity based one program session. So then how to do it, I'll be teaching that. Then this is the one of the business model, one example of the business model, the Apple iPod or the iTunes business model, how it is. And like I can make any activity with respect to the same students, so of your own business model. So this is a simple example for an Apple iPod or iTunes model. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for everyone. Thank you, ma'am, Nirmala ma'am, for giving this opportunity to deliver the few words on a business model canvas. Thank you, ma'am. Over to you. I guess there is some technical issue. Ma'am will be back to wind up the session.
Sir, I'm there. I'm there here. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Extremely sorry. We would like to really thank Guru Prasad sir, because he took his time out to do this session on Business Model Campus after traveling from far place in the night. And I would like to thank you from the entire team of IIC management, CED sir, principal sir, and the entire faculty fraternity and student fraternity sir. So thank you very much. And last but not the least, because the children, the students, those who are interested to know about the business model canvas, they were all joined, and I'm very much thankful to you. So thank you once again, Guru sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Can I leave?